Okay, we're still going to be in command prompt for this next portion. And what we're going to try to do is open up Media Player and load an individual MP4 file. So if you remember the previous video, we were able to just create the path and name MP mediaplayer.exe and load it, and we could load the media player. Fantastic. Now, let's see if we can actually load the MP4 file. So, it's pretty much the same thing, but now I'm including with the script the path that leads to the video folder and also the name of the video. So, dot 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 dot. This is actually still on command prompt. This is the script I'm going to run. And if I put it over here, I'm just going to hit enter. And fortunately, it did not open the one that I wanted. This is the video that I wanted it to open up. Well, anyway, it's only in part. We know that we can actually open it up. It's just a matter of getting through this. But I did find something in PowerShell, and I'm going to try to push that through. Here, as a matter of fact, I don't want this video to be a waste because it looks like it was just a big flop right there. Our goal is basically still the same. We want to open up Media Player and we want to run the video. Now, in PowerShell, the reading that I found was that you don't want to just open up mediaplayer.exe because what you want to do is you want to call up that path and that designated video and create a process. And when you start that process, that will open up Media Player for you. So let's try this. I'm going to. I was looking under that Microsoft samples page, and this is where I found the start process. This is the sample. Oops, that's not it. Hold on. Copy. And okay, in PowerShell, this is the sample. You'll start the process. You can create your path and the name of the video, and you're going to say you want to maximize Windows style, which is going to give you full screen. So with that, my version is pretty much a rip. It's just changing the path. Everything else is the same. So this is probably not going to work in command prompt, but it should work here because it is a PowerShell process. There it is. There's the path. There's a video you haven't seen, and maximize. So when I hit enter, it opens up. Well, anyway, um, me shooting my mouth off, I probably have a lot more to prove. That's what I got for now. I am going to work on a few more things and see what I can pull up. But I am making a little bit of progress here. So now the goal is to not just start a process and pull up the video, but get the video to play to completion and then start a new process with or not close this process and then load up another video immediately. I just got to look up the proper syntax and way to do this. So it looks like it is going to end up being a PowerShell script, but it might also be that it might be easier to piece everything together in command prompt. A friend of mine did say that I could do both and put it within a shell of a Python script or file. I'm not sure about that. Sounds a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. But you don't know, maybe I might learn Python just to make that happen. But for now, this is what we've got. We can actually start a media player in PowerShell. We can load up the video and get it to play. And for me, that's a big win, especially since I haven't slept yet. So with that, I'm going to wish everybody a good night.